Hey there, I'm Dr. Elaine Carter, a board-certified physician and health researcher with over 2 decades of experience studying how everyday foods affect our bodies. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on chia seeds, that tiny superfood powerhouse that, in the wrong hands, can actually set you back. By the end of this video, you'll know 10 critical mistakes people make with chia, how to sidestep them, and real-world examples to guide you. Plus, I'll explain how we're using this content under YouTube's fair use guidelines so you can feel confident about sharing and learning from this video responsibly. Why chia isn't always perfect. Chia seeds have exploded in popularity, and for good reason. They are loaded with fiber, omega-3s, antioxidants, and plant-based protein. But here's the catch: when chia is used improperly, it can cause bloating, dehydration, nutrient blockages, or even interfere with medications. In extreme cases, improper use has led to esophageal obstruction and severe digestive distress. The top 10 chia mistakes and how to fix them. 1. Eating dry chia seeds. What goes wrong? Dry chia acts like a sponge, pulling water from your stomach and intestines. You might feel thirsty, constipated, or even risk intestinal blockage. Real-world example: in a 2017 case study published in the American Journal of Gastroenterology, a 58-year-old woman in Texas suffered an esophageal blockage after swallowing dry chia with water. Solution: always pre-soak. Mix 1 tablespoon chia with 3 tablespoons water, let it sit 15 minutes, then stir. You'll get a soft gel that's gentle on digestion. 2. Overloading on fiber. What goes wrong? 1 tablespoon of chia has about 5 g of fiber. If your gut isn't used to that, you'll feel gassy, crampy, and bloated. Too much fiber can even impair mineral absorption, calcium, iron, zinc. Expert tip: start with 1 teaspoon per day, observe how you feel, then gradually work up to 1-2 tablespoons. Always pair with plenty of water. Aim for 8-10 glasses daily. 3. Forgetting to hydrate throughout the day. What goes wrong? Even hydrated chia continues to hold water in your GI tract. If you don't top up fluids, you can end up mildly dehydrated. Symptoms include headaches, low energy, and sluggish bowels. Quick fix: drink a glass of water each time you add chia to a meal. Carry a water bottle and set reminders if needed. 4. Using chia as a complete meal replacement. What goes wrong? Chia provides fiber and a bit of protein, but lacks sufficient calories, essential fats, and complete proteins. Replacing a meal with chia pudding can leave you tired, weak, and nutrient deficient. Practical example: Mr. Jenkins, 65, from Ohio, told ABC News that he felt fatigued after swapping breakfast for chia water for a week. He restored his energy once he added Greek yogurt and berries for protein and healthy fats. Better approach: use chia as a topping or mix and try blending 1 tablespoon into a smoothie with banana, oats, almond butter, and a scoop of plant protein. 5. Ignoring seed quality. Pesticide risk. What goes wrong? Non-organic chia may carry pesticide residues that accumulate over time, potentially causing hormonal imbalances or liver stress. Pro tip: choose USDA certified organic brands. Check for third-party testing or QR codes that trace the batch back to the farm. 6. Improper storage leading to rancidity. What goes wrong? Omega-3 fats oxidize when exposed to heat, light, or air. Rancid chia smells bitter and can trigger inflammation. Storage hack: keep chia in airtight glass jars in a cool, dark cabinet. If you live in a humid climate, store it in the fridge. Buy smaller packages to ensure freshness. 7. Overlooking potential allergies. What goes wrong? Although rare, chia allergy can cause itching, swelling, or even anaphylaxis. Mild GI discomfort could also be immune-mediated. Case in point, a 2019 report in Food and Chemical Toxicology detailed a 42-year-old man with throat tingling and rash after chia pudding. Symptoms resolved when he switched to flaxseed. Recommendation: if you notice unusual reactions, stop chia and consult your doctor. Consider alternatives like hemp or flax. 8. Relying on chia alone. Lack of dietary variety. What goes wrong? Eating only chia means missing out on essential amino acids, vitamins, and antioxidants found in other foods. No single seed can cover all your nutritional bases. Dietary advice: pair chia with colorful fruits, veggies, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. A balanced plate beats a one-note superfood any day. 9. Medication interactions. What goes wrong? High fiber can slow the absorption of certain medications. Omega-3s may amplify blood thinners like warfarin, risking bleeding events. Real example: Mrs. Patel, 72, on warfarin, experienced bruising when she added chia to her evening tea. Her oncologist advised her to space seeds and meds by at least 2 hours. Key takeaway: always discuss new dietary habits with your prescribing physician or registered dietitian. 10. Timing mistakes. Eating chia right before bed. What goes wrong? Late night fiber can cause indigestion, reflux, or nighttime bloating, disrupting sleep quality. Sleep-friendly tip: reserve chia for breakfast or lunch. If you must have it at night, use a minimal amount, well hydrated, and combine with light, easy to digest foods. Real-life success story. Meet Mrs. Garcia, a 68-year-old retired teacher in Florida. After battling chronic constipation, she implemented the tips above: pre-soaking chia, cutting back to 1 teaspoon, and boosting water intake. Within 2 weeks, her digestion smoothed out, she lost that bloated feeling, and her energy levels climbed. She now enjoys a daily chia berry smoothie at breakfast, crediting her renewed vitality to small tweaks rather than dramatic diet overhauls. Key takeaways and action steps. Pre-soak your chia to prevent GI distress. Start slow, build up fiber tolerance gradually. Hydrate, drink plenty of water whenever you eat chia. Don't replace meals, use chia as a supplement, not a main course. Choose quality, opt for organic, properly stored seeds. Be aware of allergies and medication interactions. Eat it earlier in the day to protect your sleep. Mix it up, enjoy a rainbow of whole foods for balanced nutrition. Follow fair use when sharing videos, quote briefly, attribute clearly, and add your own insights. That wraps up our deep dive into the 10 chia missteps you want to avoid. Remember, chia can be a powerful ally when used correctly and a hidden hazard if you ignore the details. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for weekly evidence-based nutrition insights, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below: which chia tip will you try first? I read every single one and love hearing your stories. Until next time, here's to smarter, Healthier choices 1 spoonful at a time.